Hi guys. First thing I normally do when I return to my summer cabin after a long winter is to straighten the dock. As you can see, it's bended like that. So I made this dock, I made this frame from the scaffolding tubes. It's a 50mm pipe, quite thick, and it's a quite good. And this is not bad at all to build a dock from scaffolding tubes. So I will adjust it a little bit. So take a look how it works here. Now it's loose and I just lift it like this. Now it looks okay. And you just tighten the knot here. So it's really that easy. Now I have to go to that end corner and do the same there, and maybe here just a little bit. Yeah, I have to also move this one. So this dock has been here. I built it I guess 4 years ago, and when the winter comes it's always twists in some direction, you know. But this is very easy to adjust. For example, this tubing here, it was almost 4 meters long, and there's not more than 1.5 meters water here in this point. It's going down slowly, but when I need to, I just put an extension here and just lift it up if needed. So you can copy this idea if you want. Just look how simple this is. Basically, you just need one hand. So I have to bring here the extension when I next time come here. Like that. Okay. I just have to put ladders here also to go swimming later on the evening. There's still ice, as you can see. Okay, look what I found here. Maybe now I can adjust this final corner here. It fits there. Okay. Okay. Have to loosen it a little bit here. Shit. Like so. It's coming up this wide open. Okay, look at that. Now don't breathe. Just a little bit higher. So I think we are done here. Except this, I have to raise this a little bit here. But that's okay here. So like I said, I built this 4 years ago, and so far the ice haven't destroyed it yet. But if there's coming, let's say, one meter high iceberg here with the flood, so I think it will destroy this. So you cannot underestimate the power of the nature, but so far I'm happy with this design. Like you see here, it's easy to adjust here. Pretty simple job, and you only have to do it like once per year. So these tubes are sinking down to the bottom of the lake to the mud, but you just put more extension and that's it. So see you later on. Okay, now the duck's okay, so it's a little celebration for that. Cheers. I have to heat up the sauna and go swimming.